This is the easiest way to make string heddles. I call it continuous loop heddles because you don't tie the individual heddles. I tied the heddle string to the weaving needle and I'm guiding it through the space underneath the lower rod. Tie a slip knot and loop it around the heddle rod. Pull it tight, and it's time to start making the heddles. It's not necessary, but I like to use a shed stick to keep my heddles even as I'm looping them around the heddle bar. I've placed a piece of paper underneath the warp strings that we're looping, just so you can see better what I'm doing. Now I can take out the lower rod because the heddles are holding the warp threads that rod was holding in place. The top rod will stay because it's going to hold the other shed. Let me show you. First, the stick shuttle can go through the shed that the top bar is holding in place. Then I'll pull the heddle bar up and it will lift up the other warp threads, and when I put the stick shuttle through that shed, it holds those threads up. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!